What's going on, everybody? It's Ross with Stammer AI, and today I'm super excited to announce that all three of our meta integrations, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, are now live and able to be used with any AI agent in your account. The way that you access that is you go to your AI agent, scroll to the one that you want to connect, then go to the integrations tab, and just like normal, you can click any of these options to connect. In this case, we're going to connect to Instagram. I'm going to authorize with Instagram, and it's going to ask us to log in here. Click and save info, and we're going to connect it to AI Meeting Scheduler, which is the white label branding for Stammer. And there we go. So now it's connected, and I can now enable it, and that will enable the AI agent to be able to start responding immediately. All right, so now that it's enabled, we can go back and send it a message. And you can see here it's been working, but if I send it a message, there's the response. And if we go back into the conversations tab here, we should see, yep, there's that message that I sent twice. And we can see that it was being held on Instagram. So now that's the Instagram chat. We can enable or disable human handoff for this channel. And you can see that there's the toggles to enable and disable this right here. So essentially what this is going to do is allow you to be notified. And for example, I can send myself an email when one of these keywords is sent by a user. So for example, if someone says, I want to talk to a human, then the AI will respond, transfer to human, and then I'm going to get a notification with the information for this chat. So it's going to say, hey, go to Instagram because there's someone wanting to talk to you or talk to a human. So that's a way to make sure that you can set this up where it works for any account, basically. And you can do that, obviously you can do that across all three different platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. So yeah, that's the Instagram integration. Super stoked that we got this one out. As always, let us know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.